Hello everyone, welcome to this series on famous heroines in the plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Beatrice from his play Much Ado About Nothing. Introduction. Beatrice, one of the central characters in William Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing, is a vibrant and dynamic figure who captivates audiences with her wit, intelligence and independence. As the niece of Leonato and cousin to Hero, Beatrice navigates the social dynamics of Messina with a sharp tongue and a keen mind. Her character is marked by a blend of strength and vulnerability, making her one of Shakespeare's most compelling heroines. This video explores the various dimensions of Beatrice's character, examining her strengths, vulnerabilities, relationships, and thematic significance, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Wit and intelligence. Beatrice is renowned for her sharp wit and quick intellect, which she employs masterfully in her interactions with other characters, particularly Benedick. Her verbal sparring with Benedick is one of the play's highlights, showcasing her ability to hold her own in any conversation. In Act 1, Scene 1, Beatrice's wit is on full display as she banters with Benedick. Beatrice: I wonder that you will still be talking, Signor Benedick. Nobody marks you. Benedick: What, my dear Lady Disdain? Are you yet living? Beatrice: Is it possible Disdain should die while she hath such meat food to feed it as Signor Benedick? Courtesy itself must convert to disdain if you come in her presence. This exchange exemplifies Beatrice's quick wit and her ability to match Benedick's verbal agility, setting the stage for their dynamic relationship. Independence and strength. Beatrice is a fiercely independent woman who challenges the traditional gender roles of her time. She values her autonomy and is unapologetically outspoken, often questioning societal expectations and norms. Her independence is evident in her initial disdain for marriage and her reluctance to conform to the expectations placed on women. In Act 2, Scene 1, Beatrice humorously critiques the institution of marriage. Beatrice: Just, if he send me no husband, for the which blessing I am at him upon my knees every morning and evening. Lord, I could not endure a husband with a beard on his face. I had rather lie in the woolen. Beatrice's aversion to marriage, expressed through her witty remarks, highlights her desire for independence and control over her own life. Vulnerability and emotional depth. Despite her outward confidence and strength, Beatrice possesses a deep emotional core and vulnerability, particularly in her feelings for Benedick. Her sharp tongue and apparent disdain for him mask a genuine affection that becomes more apparent as the play progresses. Beatrice's emotional depth is revealed in moments of sincerity and vulnerability. In Act 4, Scene 1, after Hero is falsely accused of infidelity and publicly shamed, Beatrice confides to Benedick, revealing her anguish and frustration. Beatrice: Oh, that I were a man! What, bear her in hand until they come to take hands, and then, with public accusation, uncovered slander, unmitigated rancor. O God, that I were a man! I would eat his heart in the marketplace. This moment of raw emotion exposes Beatrice's deep sense of injustice and her desire to protect her cousin, highlighting her vulnerability and capacity for intense loyalty. Relationship with Benedick. The relationship between Beatrice and Benedick is central to the play's narrative and thematic exploration. Their merry war of words evolves into a genuine romantic connection characterized by mutual respect and affection. The development of their relationship is marked by a shift from playful antagonism to heartfelt commitment. In Act 4, Scene 1, Benedict declares his love for Beatrice and she responds with uncharacteristic vulnerability. Beatrice, I love you with so much of my heart that none is left to protest. This confession marks a turning point in their relationship, as both characters drop their defenses and embrace their true feelings for one another. Thematic significance. Beatrice's character is integral to the play's exploration of themes such as love, gender roles, and social expectations. Her wit and independence challenge traditional notions of femininity, while her relationship with Benedict underscores the transformative power of love and mutual respect. Through Beatrice, Shakespeare critiques societal norms and highlights the importance of authenticity and emotional honesty in relationships. Conclusion. Beatrice is a multifaceted character whose wit, intelligence, independence, and emotional depth make her one of Shakespeare's most compelling heroines. Her ability to navigate the social dynamics of Messina with grace and ingenuity while challenging societal norms sets her apart as a figure of remarkable strength and complexity. Through her interactions and relationships, particularly with Benedict, Beatrice embodies themes of love, gender roles, and the value of sincerity. Her legacy as a character who combines sharp wit with profound emotional depth continues to resonate with audiences, cementing her place as one of Shakespeare's most memorable creations. So this was the discussion on the character of Beatrice from Shakespeare's play Much Ado About Nothing. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.